Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix inaccurate sleep tracking on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. Okay, so if the sleep tracking is incorrect, very likely, the most likely, the issue is in wearing the watch. Make sure that the watch is placed around this area. So as you can see, I have the bone sticking out right here, and the watch should be behind the bone. It should be about an inch from the wrist. So yeah. That's the first thing, and it should sit pretty tightly, not too tightly. So it should still be comfortable, but if you shake your hand, the watch shouldn't move or should move very little. Now, the next thing is, for some people, those results will just be inaccurate if you're moving too much during your sleep. That happens rarely, but sometimes that's a thing, and sometimes you just can't help it. Although you can also try some other things. You can make sure that if you go to health monitor, you have sleep breathing monitor, and besides that, you also should have the software on your watch should be up to date, so you may want to update it by going to General, System Update, and then checking if the current version is the latest. If not, then update to the newer version, and that should help you. If none of that helped, make sure to restart your watch by pressing and holding on this button right here. Then clicking on the restart button and approving. After the watch restarts, it should be all right. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.